Do you struggle with greasy, streaky kitchen appliances that never seem to stay clean? What if I told you there's an ultimate hack to make your appliances shine like new, and it doesn't require fancy products or hours of scrubbing? Stick around, and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Alice, and this is Alice Williams Cleaning, where we make cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, yet highly effective method to make your kitchen appliances sparkle without spending a fortune on cleaning products. Now, I know what you're thinking. My kitchen appliances are a mess. They look like they've been through the ringer. From greasy stovetops to smudged refrigerators, it feels like no matter how often we clean, they just don't shine the way we want them to. But there's good news. You don't have to resort to expensive cleaners or hours of scrubbing with tough chemicals. This method is simple, safe, and guaranteed to give your kitchen a fresh, polished look. Okay, let's dive in. The secret to this hack is something you probably already have in your kitchen: baking soda and vinegar. Yes, that's right. These two common ingredients are going to work wonders on your appliances. First, we'll use baking soda to tackle those stubborn grease spots and stains. It's gentle on your appliances, but tough on grime. And then we'll follow up with vinegar to give your appliances that brilliant shine. Step 1. Start by clearing off your appliances. Anything that's on your stovetop, microwave, or fridge should be removed. Step 2. For your stove or oven, take a damp cloth and sprinkle a little baking soda onto it. Now, gently scrub the greasy areas. You'll notice the baking soda starts to lift away the grime with minimal effort. For stubborn spots, add a little water to make a paste. Step 3. Once the grease starts breaking down, take a separate clean cloth and dampen it with a bit of vinegar. Wipe down the surface, and you'll see it start to shine. The vinegar helps break down any remaining grime and leaves your appliances streak-free. For those stainless steel surfaces, here's a pro tip. After cleaning with vinegar, buff the surface with a microfiber cloth. This will help you get rid of any streaks and give that glass-like finish. Step 4. Don't forget about your microwave and refrigerator. For the microwave, use a damp cloth with a little baking soda to scrub the inside, focusing on any dried-on food stains. Then, wipe it down with a cloth soaked in vinegar, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it looks brand new. Step 5. For your fridge, take off the shelves and drawers and scrub them with baking soda and water. This works wonders on spills and sticky spots. Then rinse and dry thoroughly before putting everything back in. Now, I do want to mention, make sure you're cleaning with these ingredients on cool surfaces and avoid using vinegar on natural stone surfaces like granite or marble, as it can cause damage over time. And there you have it. With just a few basic supplies you probably already have, you've transformed your kitchen appliances from dull and greasy to shiny and new. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this cleaning hack before? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more easy cleaning tips. Until next time, let's keep our kitchens looking fresh and clean. Leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.